So now we will see horizontal navigation bar in CSS. So guys, basically navigation bar is a list of links which we are going to check with the help of examples as well, and by using those list of links we are going to create a horizontal navigation bar. So guys, horizontal navigation bar can be created by using the display equal to inline property on the list of items. So guys, let us check this with the help of examples in VS Code over here. And previously we had seen how we can create the vertical navigation bar over here. So guys, similarly we are going to create a horizontal navigation bar in this case. So what we are going to do is simply I'm going to remove the previous lines of code that we had written in the HTML and the CSS files over here. Now guys, simply we are going to have the unordered list in this case, inside which we are going to have the 4 list items. So basically we are going to define the 4 list items over here, and then inside these list items we are going to have the anchor tags over here, and they are going to have the href attribute with the hash character over here for test purpose. Now guys, let us define the text inside these anchor tags over here. So let's say we have home, and then we have blog, and then let's say we have photos, and then we have videos over here. So these are the 4 list items that should be present inside the horizontal navigation bar. Guys, over here we are going to go step by step in order to create a complete horizontal navigation bar with the help of these unordered list items over here. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page on the browser. So as you can see, we have this unordered list which is present in the form of a vertical list over here. So guys, now first of all we are going to remove these bullets from the unordered list, and also remove the padding and the margin that is present by default inside this horizontal list. So guys, inside the style.css file over here, simply we are going to define the UL, that is the unordered list tag, and then we are going to say list style type. So guys, basically this is the CSS property that is used in order to define what kind of bullet points we want to display as far as the unordered list is concerned. So by default it is the circle that is getting displayed over here. We can display them as square as well. So when we save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser, so as you can see, these are the square bullets over here. But guys, since we are creating the horizontal navigation bar, we don't want any bullets over here. So simply we are going to provide none as the list style type. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, we no longer have any of the bullets over here. Now guys, simply we are going to remove the padding and margin as well from these unordered list. So we are going to say padding is equal to 0, and also the margin attribute as 0 over here. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. So as you can see, there is no longer padding and margin that is present by default inside this unordered list. Now guys, what we are going to do is we will be removing the underlines from all these anchor tags over here. So simply inside the li, that is the list item, we have the anchor tags over here, and then we are going to say text decoration, it should be equal to none, and also we are going to set the color as white in this case. So guys, basically we are going to set the text color as white and the background color of this unordered list as black. So guys, basically we are going to say background color as black in this case. So guys, when we are going to set the background color of this entire unordered list as black, so the background color of the navigation bar will be updated to black color, and the text color of the anchor text over here will be updated to white color, and that is how we are going to make a perfect navigation bar. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, we have the black background color over here, and the text color of all these links is being updated to white color now. Now guys, one more important thing, we are going to have all these text in one line over here. So what we can do is simply these list items that we have created, we need to display them as inline, since they are being displayed as the block level elements over here right now. So simply we are going to define the li, that are the list items, and we are going to say display is equal to inline in this case, so that all the list items are displayed in one line. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, all the list items are now getting displayed on the same line. Now guys, apart from this, let us provide certain spacing in between these list items as well. So what we are going to do is simply we are going to set the padding as 10 pixels over here. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again again on the browser. So as you can see, we have provided certain spacing around the list items over here. Now guys, apart from this, we also want the top and bottom padding as well. So let's say we provide the top and bottom padding inside the unordered list in this case. So simply we are going to say padding as 10 pixels for top and bottom, and for the left and right we are going to say it as 0 pixels over here. So guys, this is the way that we provide the top and bottom padding for any of the HTML elements, and the next number will be representing the left and the right padding over here. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, we have provided the top and bottom padding as well with the help of the padding CSS property. So guys, the horizontal navigation bar is almost complete over here, but the user should get at least some kind of confirmation that he or she will be clicking on one of these links. So guys, what we are going to do is, when we get the mouse cursor on this particular list item over here, so the list item background color should be updated to some color so that the user gets the confirmation or the feedback that he or she will be clicking on these list items, which is the part of the navigation bar. So guys, what we are going to do is simply on the hover of the li item over here, so we define the li item followed by colon, and then we use the pseudo class that is hover in this case. So when we get the cursor on the list item, we want to change the background color to red color over here. So simply we are going to say the background color CSS property, and then we are going to set the value as red color over here. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So now if you see, we are getting the background color as red color over here, and user is at least getting the feedback that he or she will be clicking on that particular link, which is getting highlighted as red color over here. So guys, in this way we have created a very simple horizontal navigation bar that you will be seeing in many of the websites. So guys, this is one of the important ways in order to create the horizontal navigation bar by using the unordered list items over here and using some of the CSS properties that we have defined over here. Now guys, apart from this, if you notice, there is certain spacing on the left and on the top of this navigation bar. So how we can get rid of that? So basically it is the padding and the margin of the body tag over here. So guys, the body tag is representing the entire page, that is the web page on this particular web browser. So inside the body tag over here, simply we are going to set the margin as 0 and also the padding as 0 over here. So guys, this is one of the best practices that the programmers follow in order to avoid the spacing that is present by default in some of the web browsers. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So now if you see, there is no spacing on the left or on the top of this navigation bar, and simply we can go and select one of the list items from this navigation bar. Guys, apart from this, we can also have more options over here. So simply you can add more options in this case. So over here, simply I'm going to copy these lines of code in this case, and simply we are going to have more options. So let's say we have languages over here, and then let's say we have news, and then let's say we have the contact option, and then the last option is the about option over here. So guys, let me just save this file now, and simply we have to reload this page. So as you can see, the other options are also getting displayed over here, and this is the way that you can create the horizontal navigation bar. Now guys, we have used the href attribute as the hash character over here for the test purpose, but these are going to be the real production links when you are going to implement them in your project. So guys, please make note of this href attribute over here, and apart from this, you can replicate these styling for your next project and you can practice on your own. So guys, comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is creating a drop down option in CSS. So stay tuned.